Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you today? Now I'm going to unbox Samsung Galaxy S10 Prism White. I know you have a question, why now? Samsung Galaxy S10 got released 4 months back. Okay, I'm going to tell you right now. Hey, this is Hasin Media. We make unboxing videos. Subscribe to this channel so you do not miss out anything. Well, let's unbox this phone first. Then I'm going to show you the reason why you should buy this Galaxy S10 after almost 4 months of releasing, and I believe you will see the valid reason, of course. Another thing, watch the full video to see the camera qualities of Galaxy S10. We took some sample photos and videos at the top of the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. It is written that do not accept if seal is broken, so be careful about it while buying this Samsung Galaxy S10 phone. On the backside of the box, model number, internal memory and main features are written. The selfie camera is 10 megapixel autofocus f1.9, ultrasonic fingerprint on the display, 8GB RAM, stereo speakers and earphones sounds by AKG, secured by KNOX with dual SIM. Some suppliers information. Model color and UE version are written on this sticker. Some serial numbers are here. This phone has 6.1-inch Quad HD dynamic AMOLED display, super speed dual pixel 12 megapixel camera that supports f1.5 and f2.4. Another 12 megapixel camera supports f2.4 and ultra wide 16 megapixel camera supports f2.2. Wireless power share, wireless charging, IP68 water and dust resistant. Break this seal. This box seems it is stuck. One additional mini box with ejection pin. Contents are manuals, quick start guide, warranty card and a protective cover. Later in this video we'll try this cover with the phone. In S10 series, Samsung made infinity display for cinematic view. To set the selfie camera into the display, Samsung made precise and small hole in the screen using laser cutting technique. Do not remove the plastic from display because that is the screen protector by Samsung. At first, Samsung Galaxy S10 series released 3 models with different dimensions of the display. Samsung Galaxy S10e 5.8-inch display, Galaxy S10 6.1-inch display and S10 Plus 6.4-inch display. But now recently they have included one more model, that is S10 5G. That is bigger than all this, 6.7-inch display. This Galaxy Prism White phone on my hand is Galaxy S10 6.1-inch display. This phone's display has a clear reflection. I can't wait anymore to see the backside of this Prism White color. Yeah, this color looks great. It's not like normal white color. These Galaxy phones are made of glass and shines a lot. It reflects different colors when the direction of backside is changed. I like this color. On the back part of this Samsung Galaxy S10, there are 3 lenses, 1 flashlight and 1 heart rate sensor. This Prism White color is radiant and smooth. It is attractive. I'll say white is the best and standard color. It goes with everything. I personally like white color, but recently Samsung released a brand new color of Samsung Galaxy S10. That is Prism Silver. That is really stunning. I already unboxed and reviewed Samsung Galaxy S10 Prism Silver color. You can check the description for the link of that video. On the front side there is a one selfie camera and a speaker as well. On one side of this phone there is only the power key to switch on and off the phone. On another side you will find a volume key and a separate key for Bixby. On the bottom side there is speaker, microphone, USB-C input and 3.5mm headphone jack. And on the top side there is another microphone and one SIM card tray. Now you can see the real Prism White color. Now this Prism White color looks majestic. Let's have a quick look what else we have inside the box. Inside the box you will get one fast charging power adapter with 3 pins, one USB-C type connector, one USB data cable for charging the phone and transferring data, and one AKG 3.5mm ear headphone with extra ear comforter. After switching on this phone for the first time, there are some steps you can select or skip. Let's skip them. Then we'll set the fingerprint. When your phone is ready, you will get so many notifications. There's so many shortcuts on quick settings panel. Let's set the fingerprint and see how fast it is. First go to settings, then go lock screen, then go screen lock types, then fingerprint, then continue. Then go for pattern, pin or password, any option you wish. Then set it to voice and press confirm. Then the display will show a demo how you should put your finger. You can follow that, but I will do as how I hold the phone most of the time and comfortable to put finger on the display. It is best if you put your finger from every angle. When 80% is done, this phone will direct you again how to put your finger. When it is finished, press done to finish it. Now let's see how fast fingerprint works. If you tap on the fingerprint scanner, it won't work unless you press and hold little longer. Fingerprint scanning time to unlock this phone is okay but not impressive. Now we'll talk basic camera features, not in detail because there are so many functions and this video will be very long. We'll come with in detail camera features and battery life of this Samsung Galaxy S10 in another video. In the back camera, there are options like food mode, panorama, pro, live focus, photo, video, super slow motion and hyperlapse. Let's take photo and check the quality. This picture is pretty sharp even though this is indoor shoot. But we have enough light here. Let's check some outside snaps. There are total 3 different modes for capturing photos. Ultra wide 0.5x zoom, wide angle 1x zoom and telephoto 2x zoom up to 10x zoom. This photo captured with ultra wide camera. It covers a lot of space. If we zoom, still it is clear photo. But if we zoom further, the photo is not sharp anymore. And this photo we captured with wide angle camera. If we zoom it, it seems clear. If we further zoom, this photo is better than ultra wide lens, but it is not perfect. And this photo captured with telephoto lens, and if we zoom this, you can see this photo is better than ultra wide and wide angle lens. If we zoom further, this photo is sharp and bright. And this photo we captured with 10x zoom. The photo quality is not that bad. But if we zoom in, grains appear on the photo. You will get same options for video recording if the super steady is off. Ultra wide, wide angle and telephoto. But if you want to record ultra wide video, all video resolutions will not be available for use. For selfie camera, you only have photo, video and live focus options. For photo, there are 2 angles, little wide and basic. For video, all resolutions of back camera are not available. When you take a selfie, the letters are reversed like in a mirror. If we zoom the photo, some portions are clear and some portions are not. Display of this S10 is Gorilla Glass 6 and the back part is Gorilla Glass 5. This video was recorded with another Galaxy S10 at the top of Burj Khalifa. This prism white gives some different lights shine. Honestly, I like that reflection. With this phone, you easily can take 4K video and some nice photos. Watch the full video to see pictures from top of the Burj Khalifa. If you insert this ejection pin, the SIM card tray will pop up. There are 2 slots. This one is for nano SIM and this one for either nano SIM or external memory card. Remember, in this second slot, you cannot use both together. You can put only one nano SIM or memory card. After inserting the SIM card, immediately SIM card manager will appear. To check the Android version, go to settings, then about phone, then software information, then tap 3 times at once on Android version. Let's try this protective cover with the phone. See, this prism white color looks good with the protective cover provided by Samsung. This cover is clear and transparent. You should use it for safety. And see, it reflects more light without this protective cover. In my opinion, this phone looks more lively without this protective cover. These are the photos we captured from top of the Burj Khalifa by the Samsung Galaxy S10. This is right time to buy this Samsung Galaxy S10. See, this is the price when this phone was released. 3,199 dirhams. And now if we check out, the price is 2,674 dirhams. 525 dirhams discount. And if we go to other online shop to purchase, price is 2,245 dirhams. Now if we buy this phone with 2,245 dirhams, the price is almost 1,000 dirhams less than the time it was released. Now you tell me, do you think this is right time to buy this nice Samsung Galaxy S10 flagship smartphone? Check the description for latest price of this Galaxy phone.